Wix e-commerce website tutorial, how to create a dropshipping website on Wix. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create our e-commerce online store on Wix. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So here we are on wix.com. As you can see, I've already created an account. So let's click on create new site in the right top corner to start creating. And here we need to answer for some of the questions. What kind of website are you creating? We are going to create an online store. Of course, we can find the category here, but I'm going to click on next, only online store. Let it be like this. What's the name of your store? Let it be store 1. It doesn't matter. It's only for the Wix library to manage the websites. Maybe we'll try to create 2 stores or maybe 3. What do you want to add to your website? Basically, we can just simply click on skip in the right bottom corner, cause we'll add these forms a little bit later. And here we are, start setting up your store, manage your products, business tools, analytics, size settings, and more. We can go to dashboard, but I suggest you to click on begin with a template, cause the first thing we are going to discover is, of course, the template we are going to customize as for our store. And as you can see, we can find a lot of different templates we can easily use, at least 11 pages here. So we can divide them into different categories: fashion and clothing, jewelry and accessories, arts and crafts, and so on. Let's try to find something maybe about sport and outdoors. Maybe it will be interesting as for us. So let's try to use this template here with some camping equipment. So basically we'll customize, we can choose any single template here and then just only change all the pictures, and even if it's about camping in the beginning, we can customize and make it about caps or maybe sport equipment. So basically let's click on view and it looks like this here, pretty cool. Moreover, we can even switch to mobile phone, and as you can see, the website is totally responsive, so we can successfully use it from both pages, from both devices. Let's click on edit this site. And here we are, we'll come to our editor. It may take a little time cause depends on the server's capacity and so on. So all we need to do is just to wait for a little until everything is set up. So let's wait. It may take maybe 10 seconds or maybe 5. And here we are on our editor page. In the left side we can add elements, add sections, pages and menu, manage pages. Change the style design, and I'm going to click. I suggest you to find the unique style as for us. So as you can see, we can switch and the colors and the fonts will be successfully changed, and sometimes it's pretty cool. I'm going to use this feature here. We can change colors only or text only. I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to use this theme here, and now our website looks a little bit different, and I think it's pretty cool. Also, as you can see, we have our store here, so we can just simply hover and then just click on manage products. So the first way to customize template is to change the products we are going to sell. So let's click on manage products to open this page here where we can find all the information and we can start setuping. So we can change an existing products, or we can delete all of them and then just add a new product. So in order to add a new, we just simply need to click on new in the right top corner, change like physical or digital. Let it be physical maybe, and then we need to fill all the information, like add images and videos, add product info, description, pricing, make it on sale or not on sale, add the custom text, product options, and so on. And after that, just simply click on save, and our product will be added to this library basically. Or we can just simply click on manage products, find all the products here, and we can customize every single element. For example, we only need 10 products, so we can delete all and just only have 10. We can click on more, click on edit, and then just replace all the information with images, product info, the same information basically here. We can also manage the inventory, manage the categories in the left side menu, as you can see. Also, we can find information about our orders if we'll go to orders. We can find all the information here, but I don't have because we need to basically start our store. So this page here is pretty cool. We can find also information about loyalty program, gift cards, and so on. So I suggest you to explore it by yourself. So in order to customize some parts on the website, we need to understand that every single element is like could be customized. So we can just simply click on this part here. We can change the text. We can edit the font size, color, make it bold, italic. We can change the position of this button. Every single element could be replaced, could be placed to another area. We can change where does it link to from this page here. So basically it's pretty cool. Also, we can add different sections. For example, we can click on add section, add the welcome section here, and now we'll successfully added this section. So as you can see, we can move it up, move it down, and do some other stuff. So let's try to change the background. Just simply click on change section background, and we'll try to find something which is connected to maybe some hikings and so on. This mountain background is pretty cool. So when everything is done, when all the pages are customized, we can just simply click on save and continue, and then we can easily publish our website. So we can just simply click on publish in the right top corner, and then just go to view site. So as you can see, it's available on the internet. We can share the link, and all the guys are able to find this here. Of course, we need to customize every single page, every single element, but this is an example. So we can go to dashboard. In the left top corner, just simply click on Wix logo, and here we are. From this page, we can also manage like marketing and SEO, analytics and reports, try to find the sales overview, traffic overview, and also, as you can see, we can find the store products and go to products, the same page to manage the products here. So if you're going to discover the paid plans, we can find that as for the online store, we have like 3 plans. We need to switch to business and e-commerce. We have like business basic, business unlimited, and business whip. $20 per month, 15, 22, because we have like 50% off the special offer instead of 30 and 44. So we can find all the differences, and after that we can easily discover is it necessary as for us to buy the paid plan. And the most popular, as I know, the business unlimited, so it has like these parameters here. So I suggest to try it for free, so you can easily try to build your online store, and after that you can try to buy the subscription for only 15 euros per month to try your first month of dropshipping. So this is a way of how can we set up our online store on Wix. I hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.